Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Salini and I am from Bihar. And guys, I help you to speak English fluently with confidence and without any hesitation. So guys, you know English words, you know grammar rules, but when you open your mouth, confidence is zero. Yeah, confidence is zero. Why? Why confidence is zero? This is the major problem of every English learner, right? Like you are in a group, someone asks you a question in English, so your heart beats fast, your palm sweats, brain says, what if I make mistake? लोग हंसेंगे, मेरा मजाक बनाएंगे, अरे इसे तो इंग्लिश भी नहीं आती, कोई मुझसे दोस्ती नहीं करेगा, right? So these things comes in your mind. So you stay silent, you smile, you say I don't know, but you do know, but because of fear you say I don't know. So guys, confidence is not about perfect English. Confidence is about wrong English with a smile. And guys, native speakers make mistakes daily, but they still speak. And if you are waiting to be perfect first, that day will never come. That day will never come. I knew 2000 words, but at coffee shop or at some shop, I could not say, hey, give me this, I want this, I want this. It is not because I didn't know, because I was scared of judgment. And then I thought I learned one thing, one rule that made me confident in 21 days or 25 days. You know, there is something that I follow. So guys, in this video I will give you that same rule and 3 daily habits for confidence. And if you are tired of staying silent, this video is for you. And go. Okay, so guys, please in the comment box just comment confident if you want to be confident in English. So yeah. And yeah, confidence is not magic, it is practice. It is all about practice. And yeah, confidence in English has nothing to do with grammar or big vocabulary. Confidence comes when you stop caring about what will people think and start caring about what do I want to say. Most English learners are not scared of English. They are scared of making mistakes in front of others. So they choose silence because silence feels safe. But guys, silence will never make you fluent. Silence will never make you fluent. So guys, every confident English speaker you see was once nervous. They became confident by doing one thing daily. They spoke wrong English on purpose. Yes. They made mistakes daily in front of mirror, with friends, with shopkeepers, with someone, with friends, because confidence is a muscle, like it is a muscle, and muscles grow only when you use them, not when you hide them. So from today guys, you just have to make one rule. You have to speak 3 wrong sentences in English every single day. Just you can tell your friend or milkman good morning, tell your friend today weather is nice. Okay, so yeah, it is not going to be 100% correct. You will not feel confident. But because confidence is not about zero mistakes, my dear friends, it is not about zero mistakes. It is about speaking even after 10 mistakes. Okay, and your grammar book will not give you confidence, your mouth will. Okay, so stop waiting for perfect English. Start speaking imperfect English today. Okay, and start speaking 3 wrong sentence daily and it is going to be automatically correct with time. And I am here and I will clap for your wrong English because that is the first sign of your confidence. Okay, so guys, if you want real confidence in English, you need daily 3 habits. I told about 3 habits, not just motivation. Okay, so yeah, it is first thing you have to do is, yeah, you have to speak 3 wrong sentences daily. And what is 3 habits? Let's talk about this. So my habit number 1 is the mirror rule. What you have to do in this: every morning stand in front of your mirror for just 2 minutes and speak wrong English. Okay, say anything like my name is Rahul, today is good day, I am learning English, and no grammar needed. No, no stop. Your only job is to hear your own voice in English, and this kills stage fear. Okay, and it is going to be done. Now let's talk about habit number 2, and it is 3 sentence rule. Every single day you must speak 3 English sentence to a real human. It can be your shopkeeper, your friend, your mom, your father, your brother, anyone. You just have to say thank you, how are you, what are you doing, this tea is hot. Short sentences are fine. What are you doing, will you be here today, what are you what's your plan for today, something like this. Short sentence and basic sentences. Okay, it's okay. And wrong sentences are fine. Okay, but speaking is not optional. Okay, you have to speak because this builds real world courage. And habit number 3 is um, mistake celebration rule. Like every night before sleeping, write one mistake you made in English today. Okay, and maybe you said he go instead of he goes, something. So clap for yourself because you made a mistake, means you actually spoke. So people who stay silent make zero mistakes and zero progress. So repeat these 3 daily habits. Okay, 3 daily habits for 21 days or for 1 month. Mirror for 2 minutes, 3 sentence to human, and 1 mistake celebration. Okay, and guys, after 21 days you will not ask how to be confident. You will be confident, and you are, yes, you will be confident. So this is what I wanted to tell, my 3 daily habits, because it worked for me, it is going to work for you. So yeah, let's check quick recap what I said. Habit number 1, mirror rule. 2 minute wrong English daily you have to speak. Habit number 2, 3 sentence rule. You have to speak 1 human daily, 3 sentence. And habit number 3, mistake celebration. You have to clap for yourself. Yes, I made mistake, but still I spoke. Okay, and yeah, you are going to be confident very soon. Thank you so much guys for joining me, and love you all. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe and support my channel guys. I need your help. You watch my videos but you don't subscribe, you are not supporting me. So please guys, it take lots of efforts to make videos, and I pray for you all that you be confident, your English will be perfect, and you become confident English speaker. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.